Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I'm getting ready to go grade some of your first stuff, and I've been reading it as it comes through because I hit the subscribe button, and I'm pretty fascinated by the conversations and very appreciative already of your thoughtfulness. So if this is any indicator of the caliber of our discussion over the semester, I'm good. If there's anything specific, I guess I should mention that is not good about something that you've written or not exactly what I'm looking for. There is a comments section in the gradebook right by where I put your points. So if there's anything that I'm going to share with you, it will likely be there where you can find it privately, not put that kind of thing on the discussion board itself. The other thing I wanted to tell you is Shannon, your classmate, sent me an email saying, well, you've given us the due dates for our writings, but you haven't given us the due dates for our responsive reflections on everybody else's writings. And when is that? And I looked at the calendar and the schedule, and I realized, darn, she's right. I didn't do that. So this is going to be my policy on this, okay? It isn't in writing anywhere yet. I will try to get in and put it somewhere other than the announcements. But for right now, my policy is whatever the due date is that you need to have your answers to the actual questions that I've posed for you written 2 days later, in other words, 48 hours later, will be your responses will be due. And that probably means I will push back grading things by 2 days as well. But I think that should be fair. And actually, most of these things come in a little bit at a time over the time, and you may be able to get them done before the actual deadline if that's what you want to do. But if you prefer to go back in after everybody's finished and kind of read through a lot of them, then you will have a couple days to do that. And if you have any questions, remember to put them in the hallway conversations, because probably other people have the same questions, and I can get everybody answered at the same time. And again, I appreciate you guys being on top of this thing and being so thoughtful. And I look forward to actually reading through everything, and look for your points in the next day or two. I may not be able to get everybody's read and given points all in one morning, and I do have to go teach in a couple hours. So that's it for me for now, and see you on Blackboard.